panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies. I got a pretty lady with no like no stress.
I got a pretty lady with no like no stress. She got her own but she needs some love.
Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Still your boy Pare in the building, and I'm back again with another video. See guys, I've already caused these legs. I've caused these legs to touch so many countries, to touch so many places in the world. So I'm heading to a very beautiful and a lovely place. Believe me, if you see this place in the picture, you definitely want to give it a go. You definitely want to see it for yourself. Yeah, let me not hype the place too much because I've never been to this place before. So let's hit the road, baby. Another adventure. It's a beautiful and a sunny morning. Just check out this. The sun is so bright and it's lovely. I mean, the sun is so bright.
Yeah. It's hard to get a picture in it.
Yeah.
I think you just need to be a little bit higher to catch the wings.
Yeah, he's taking a picture as well.
Good luck.
Alright, see you. Yeah, so I think this summer is going to be much of travel and adventure because the moment the sun comes out like this, you just feel like going out. Like, it's so nice to walk in the sun, chilly, you understand? So guys, I'm right here at the location, and as you can see, there's no other tourist attraction in this place apart from this gigantic, beautiful architectural structure. So on my right here, there is an inscription and a brief overview about this place. So come over, let me show you. So this is all the information that you need to know about this place. So as you can see, this is the ground, and you can see the metal that is going right deep inside. This is the rock, this is pile, this is slab and plane. So there's no wind or anything that is gonna pull this thing down. So there's an underlying history about this place, and until you read this, you will not know why this place attracts a whole lot of locals down here. So you can pause the video and read this, or you listen as I try to read out some few facts about this place. The Angel of the North is seen by more than one person every second, 90,000 every day, and 33 million annually. It stands 20 meters 60 feet high, the height of 4 double-decker buses, with a wingspan of 54 meters 175 feet, almost the width of a jumbo jet. It weighs 203 tons, the body 108 tons, and the wings 50 tons each, enough steel to build 4 chieftain tanks. The total cost of the Angel of the North was £800,000. This is a very hard steel, guys. This structure can withstand winds of over 100 miles per hour. An art in education project continues to inspire school children from Gateshead and across the region. The Angel formed the basis of much postgraduate research. The Angel is seen daily in the media and has won many awards. So the big question is, why an angel, and what is the idea behind this artwork? And the response is that no one has ever seen an angel, and we need to keep imagining them. The angel has 3 functions. Firstly, a historic one to remind us that below this site, coal miners work in the dark for 200 years. Secondly, to grasp hold of the future, expressing our transition from the industrial to the information age. And lastly, to be a focus for our hopes and fears. Alright, that's it for the video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.